Welcome to electronicsforyou.com's DIY project video. This video is a proof of concept of the DIY project, Artificial Plant Water Showers to Beat the Heat, which is published on electronicsforyou.com. Let us take a look at how it works. You can develop this interesting project by following the simple steps provided in one of the blogs on electronicsforyou.com. Kindly find the link in the description of this video. The project helps you to set up the upper and lower bars of the hydroponic system. The objective of this project is to water plants automatically in peak summers whenever required. The coding of the project is done on Arduino IDE. The components used to develop this project are an ESP8266 board for programming, a DHT11 sensor to sense atmospheric temperature and humidity, a DS18B20 sensor to sense the water temperature, a peristaltic pump to supply water, dual-channel relay to control the pump, a water flow valve to control water flow, a misting nozzle that combines flow rate with water pressure to deliver a spray with droplets small enough to cool the air, a 1x4-inch microtube to connect peristaltic pump with a misting nozzle, and a 1x4-inch barbed connector to connect microtubes, a few jumper wires for connections. The connections are very simple. Let us see the demonstration of this project. Power the circuit and wait for some time. The ESP8266 will connect to the network and display the time and sensor readings on the serial port. It will also turn the water valve and sprinkle water at the scheduled time. This is visible by the on light on the relay. Interested in developing your own artificial plant water shower project? Kindly click on the link provided in the description of this video to get a complete circuit diagram and a detailed explanation of the project. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such DIY proof of concept videos. Thank you.